Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Innago app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Innago is a property management app made for landlords who want a simple and free way to manage rentals. It offers tools to list properties, screen tenants, collect rent, sign leases digitally, and handle maintenance requests, all in one place. The app works on both desktop and mobile, making it easier to manage properties from anywhere. Let's talk about performance. The user interface is clean and easy to use, even for first-time landlords. Rent collection is automatic, and tenants can pay via ACH or card, with reminders sent before rent is due. Landlords really appreciate the built-in tenant screening, which includes background and credit checks. Lease signing is also digital, saving time and effort. Still, no app is perfect. Some users report slow loading times or occasional glitches during lease upload or editing. The mobile app isn't as polished as the desktop version and may feel a bit limited in features. Also, while the core features are free, some services like premium screening checks can add up. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Innago is a great choice for landlords who want a free, feature-rich platform to manage their properties. It's reliable for collecting rent, screening tenants, and handling day-to-day tasks. However, if you rely heavily on mobile use or want more automation, you might consider other options. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.